So, Canon's eagerly awaited RF mount tilt-shift lenses appear to be on the horizon. These lenses have been in development for some time and are poised to become the first autofocus tilt-shift lenses available. So let's dive into what these upcoming Canon lenses are and what precisely a tilt-shift lens does, so you can figure out whether a tilt-shift lens suits you or not. Basically, tilt-shift lenses are a distinct category of camera lenses necessitating manual focus and are equipped with separate tilt and shift controls. The tilt control enables selective focus by adjusting the focal plane relative to the image sensor plane. This enables simultaneous focusing on two subjects at different distances and empowers the manipulation of the focus to achieve a deeper depth of field while employing the shine fluke principle for pinpointing subject focus. Conversely, the shift control allows for framing without physically moving the camera body, instead shifting the lens parallel to the image plane. This feature proves especially valuable when using wide-angle lenses to minimize distortion and when shooting from elevated or low angles to rectify vertical line convergence. So what kind of results do all of these developments lead to? Tilt-shift lenses provide an area of creative possibilities for photographers. The tilt control knob can be harnessed to achieve a miniature effect, introducing lens blur to a photo and transforming life-size subjects into miniature-scale models. The shift control knob proves invaluable in architectural photography by eradicating perspective distortion and correcting the convergence of vertical lines. The shift feature also simplifies mirror photography, allowing the photographer to position themselves to the side without appearing in the mirror of reflection. In landscape photography, tilt-shift lenses mitigate wide-angle lens distortions and reduce post-processing demands. Lastly, the tilt control can be employed to focus on multiple subjects within a portrait, conveying a narrative through the photograph. And now let's discuss what Canon is planning to bring to the tilt-shift lineup. Reports have emerged that a limited group of photographers currently possess access to these new tilt-shift lenses. Specifically, two lenses have been rumored: the Canon TS-R 14mm f4L and the Canon TS-R 24mm f3 5L. However, it's possible that longer focal length options are also in development. While Canon photographers have expressed interest in faster L' lenses and more budget-friendly choices, the company's specialty lenses have consistently garnered the claim. The RF mount is anticipated to benefit from a diverse area of specialized lenses, including a new MPPE macro lens. These lenses are likely to gain popularity in blaster Canons standing on the market. Canon TS-E 24mm, Canon TS-E 50mm, Nikon PC 19mm, and PCE 24mm, and Laowa 15mm 0D shift are some of the tilt-shift lenses that you can get right now. We highly recommend you try one. It'll definitely explore creative ideas in a way you never thought of.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.